Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another ink installation video. And today I'm going to be installing the ink on the Epson XP5200. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Also, there's going to be a link down below for some brand new Epson ink specifically for this printer. So if you're needing new ink, go to the description box, get yourself some new ink. So the first thing you want to do is you want to locate your ink cartridges, of course, and I always like to start off with black. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you know where everything is on the ink cartridge. There's going to be a microchip on the front. There's going to be a latching design on the back that's going to fit the exact pattern for the specific print head. And then you have some the sides of the ink cartridge. They're very obvious. But what you want to do is you want to place the front of the ink cartridge in first to match up with the copper pieces that are on the print head. So you can see there from this view to the right there, you see that there are copper pieces. The microchip that is on the ink cartridge needs to match up with those, and they need to slide in place smoothly. If there's any resistance, take the ink cartridge out immediately and kind of adjust so that you are aligned with all of the imprints that are on the print head. Once you have that in place, you can then push it in place and it should click in place. You need to hear a click and you need to make sure that it is firmly placed in there. That is going to ensure that you have correctly installed the ink cartridges. You may put this in and you leave it loose, it's not going to pick it up. So you really need to make sure that you're doing this correctly. And here in this video, I was able to demonstrate the correct position that you need to have the ink cartridge in to install into the print head. It's very simple, but on the other hand, if you've never done it before, it can be very complicated. So I hope that this video ended up being helpful to you. Again, if it was, like, comment, subscribe, and also link down in the description below for some new ink. Now, once all the ink cartridges are installed, you can now close the printer and you can begin the initialization setup. Initialization is essentially the print head is going to suction the ink into the system, and that is how you're going to be able to start printing with your new printer or with your current printer that you're just getting new ink for. So again, I hope this video was helpful. That's really all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.